1955 Moto Rumi Formichino 125cc. The fastest scooter of the 1950s features a lively two-cylinder motor and unique engineering with an aluminum monocoque chassis. This particular Rumi was located in Bergamo, Italy, home of the now defunct Rumi factory. Having been completely restored recently, the bodywork, chassis, and engine were restored by local specialists from the city's own factory workforce. Only original components found in a former Rumi dealership were used. It was repainted with the original color Leclerc 8025 Madonna Blue. This Rumi is a truly novel and innovative design that will complement any scooter enthusiast's collection. Being both functional and fast, in the years 1957, 1958, and 1960, Rumi won the famous Bol d'Or 24-hour race.